Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you in your Android phone if your SIM card showing no service or emergency calls only problem issues. So as you can see guys, same problem I also facing. So I am going to show you now 100% working method solution to fix this irritating issue. So let's get started one by one. So first you need to enable the flight mode, airplane mode on your phone. So just click on flight mode and airplane mode for few seconds and then disable it. After doing this, restart your phone one time. After restarting, check your network is back on your device or not. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. So now you need to change your phone location. If you are there on that place, there is no internet, there is no network properly, so at that time you can definitely face this kind of problem issues. So you need to change your location and still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Open your phone settings, go to connection. In the connection, go to mobile network, and from here you need to select network mode. Open it. From here you need to select your latest version. Like if you are using 5G phone, here you can get the LTE 5G option. Just select it and go to network operator and disable this option and enable it. After doing this guys, go back, access point name, tap on three dots, and here you can get the option reset to default. Just tap on it. After doing this guys, restart your phone one time. After restarting, check the problem is solved or not. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Now you need to remove your SIM card and clean your SIM card tray and your SIM with the cotton cloth and insert it properly. Okay, after doing this guys, also helps you to fix your problem. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Once again, open the phone settings. Okay, scroll down and find out reset option. Open it and here you can get the option reset network setting. Just tap on it and here you need to select your SIM card and reset your network setting. It will reset only Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth setting from the network settings. Okay, after doing this guys, you need to restart your phone one time. After doing every step, you need to restart your phone compulsory. Now this is very important. In the phone settings, go to software update, tap on download and install. If the latest software update is available, just simply you need to update your phone. After updating, it will fix your problem. Still the problem is same, you can contact your customer care support and share the problem with them. This is the last solution. Sometimes the problem is in your phone, so you need to also flash your phone or completely reset your phone. So these are the easy and simple method to fix this irritating problem. So that's all today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.